Push-ups. We start standing with the length of mat out in front of you. Roll down through the spine, bending the knees so that you can land the feet to the floor. Walk out into a full plank. We do 3 press-ups once we're down there, then walking the hands back to the feet and roll back up into a standing position. The Pilates push-ups are a tricep type of push-up in that the elbows bend pointing to the wall behind you, and you try and touch the ribs or the sides of the torso into the upper body as you do those press-ups. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, spine stretch forwards. Inhale, walk the hands out to your plank. Exhale, prepare just in your plank a moment. And then inhale, flex the elbows to lower into the push-up. Exhale to return. Repeat that 3 times. Then inhale, walking the hands back to the feet. And then re-stack into standing. Loraine also shows a version where you come down and come into a half plank onto the knees, which is probably most comfortable for a lot of people. So we do 3 lots of 3 here. You do 3 press-ups and then repeat that whole version 3 times. And you can add in the standing position some knee bends and calf raises as well, because coming up and down can be quite challenging on the dizziness aspect. So feel free to add in some variation there.